Hello everyone, today we are going to be solving Biology Paper 1 June 2020 of the Cameroon GCE Ordinary Level Multiple Choice. We have 1.5 hours to do this, so let's get started. Question number 1. The movement of water molecules from a region of high concentration of water molecules to a region of low concentration of water molecules is, we have A. Absorption, B. Diffusion, C. Osmosis, D. Osmoregulation. The correct answer is osmosis, because by definition, this is the definition of osmosis. Okay, the correct answer is osmosis. Why? Because osmosis is the movement of water molecules from the region of high concentration, okay, to a region of low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So the correct answer to this is osmosis. And then what's the next question is number 2. Number 2 is asking us what occurs when the leaves of a plant lose more water than the plant gets from the soil. We have wilting, we have plasmolysis, we have turgidity, we have guttation. What occurs is wilting, okay? When the leaves of a plant lose more water than the plant gets from the soil, this process is wilting. So the answer is number 2 is A. Question number 3. Which of the following processes uses up energy? We have active transport, enzymatic digestion, osmosis, and ultrafiltration. The one that uses energy is active transport, okay? Active transport is the movement of molecules across a cell membrane from an area of lower concentration to an area of higher concentration. This process goes against the natural tendency of molecules to move from high concentrations to low concentration, okay? Therefore, it requires energy input from the cell, and cells use a molecule called ATP to provide the energy for active transport. Okay, so active transport is when molecules move from a lower concentration to a higher concentration. So if you are going against the concentration gradient, you need energy, and that is what active transport process is defined by. And then we have question number 4. The parts of the mammalian heart containing oxygenated blood are, we have the right atrium, left atrium, we have the right atrium, right ventricle, we have the left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. It is the left atrium, left ventricle. So that's C. Because the mammalian heart has 4 chambers, the 2 upper atria and 2 lower ventricles, okay? The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. The oxygenated blood then flows through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the blood are released by oxygen and carbon dioxide. So from here we know that the left atrium and left ventricle, they deal with oxygenated blood, okay? They deal with oxygenated blood. And then the right atrium and right ventricle, these two deal with deoxygenated blood, okay? So the left is oxygenated and the right atrium and ventricle are deoxygenated. Question number 5. The chloroplasts of plant cells, what do? They store food, they absorb light energy for photosynthesis, they maintain the shape of the plant cells, they convert sugar into starch. What do? They absorb energy for photosynthesis. Okay, this is the correct function of the chloroplast, because the chloroplast contains what? It contains chlorophyll, which is a pigment that absorbs sunlight. So this B is the correct answer. And then question number 6. Number 6 is asking us one method of spread of AIDS is that is through screened blood transfusion. No, the blood is screened. And then we also have the other option of obviously the spread of AIDS is doing unprotected sexual intercourse, okay, with an infected person. Don't forget, the person is infected. So if you have unprotected sexual intercourse with an infected person, you will have AIDS. So this is a method of cause of AIDS, that's D. Number 7 is asking causes of malaria. We have A, mosquito, B, plasmodium, we have bacteria, and then we have the virus. Well, plasmodium is the cause of malaria, okay, because malaria is transmitted through the bites of an infected Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so and then an infected mosquito, when they bite, they inject plasmodium into the human, into the bloodstream of the human. So it's plasmodium that causes malaria. Question number 8. Question number 8. In the diagram of an amoeba, the contractile vacuole functions in, we have reproduction, we have food storage, we have osmoregulation, and we have gaseous exchange. Well, the answer is osmoregulation. The contractile vacuole functions in osmoregulation. Okay, the contractile vacuole is a sac-like organelle found in single-celled organisms including amoeba, and its main function is to regulate the water balance within the cell. So that's osmoregulation. And then question number 9. This is number 9. Number 9 is here. This number 9 is saying this concerns the nitrogen cycle below. We have nitrogen in the atmosphere, goes back to nitrates in the soil. We have nitrogen in plants and proteins. We have nitrogen in animals, and all of this goes back to nitrates in the soil, and the nitrates in the soil go back to nitrogen in the atmosphere. Okay, this process is, what process is represented by arrow 3? That's from the atmosphere to the soil. What is that? It is the denitrification, okay, because this is a nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen gas in the atmosphere is converted into usable forms. Okay, no, it is nitrification because the arrow goes up. If the arrow was going to the soil, it is denitrification, but since the arrow is going up, it is nitrification. So the answer is C. Our arrow is going to be up. Okay, from number 3, leaves the soil to the atmosphere. So that's the nitrification. Okay, in the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen gas in the atmosphere is converted to usable forms for plants and animals through various processes. So the answer to question number 3 is nitrification. So this is nitrification. Take note of the direction of the arrow. This option 3 is nitrification. Next question, we have question number 10. Below is a food chain in the garden ecosystem. We have cabbage, caterpillar, hen, hawk. Identify the herbivore in the food chain. What is herbivore? The herbivore feeds on plants. Okay, so what is feeding on the plant? The plant is the cabbage. Well, it is the caterpillar. The caterpillar is the herbivore in the food chain. Number 11 is asking us that Spirogyra is autotrophic because of the presence of, we have cell wall, pyrenoid, mucilage, and then chloroplast. Well, the answer is chloroplast. What are autotrophs? Autotrophs are organisms that can produce their own food directly from sunlight. That's what autotrophs are. The organisms that can produce their own food directly from sunlight. And what does Spirogyra have? Spirogyra has a chloroplast to trap sunlight. Okay, has a chloroplast to contain chlorophyll that is useful in photosynthesis. So the answer to question number 11 is D, chloroplast. Question number 12 is asking us that this structure in the eye has concentration of light sensitive cells, that's rods and cones, and the structure is retina. Okay, I'm no longer reading these options. The answer is retina. The answer is D, because the structure in the eye that has high concentration of light sensitive cells is the retina. The retina is the light sensitive layer of tissue at the back of the eye. It contains millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones, which convert light into electrical signals. And these electrical signals are sent to the brain. Okay, so this is retina. The answer is retina. Question number 12. The answer is retina. Okay, transport question number 13. Transport oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart in the mammalian circulatory system. Don't forget, it's transporting oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. And what is that? That is the pulmonary vein. Okay, it's the pulmonary vein. Transports oxygenated blood. The pulmonary artery instead transports deoxygenated blood. Okay, and if we had only artery without a pulmonary suffix, then that could have been our answer. But since we have the pulmonary suffixes, then it is a vein that is correct. The pulmonary vein is the one that transfers oxygenated blood. It's the only vein that transfers oxygenated blood. The rest of the veins transfers deoxygenated blood. But the pulmonary vein is the only vein that transfers oxygenated blood. Next question. Question number 14 is saying the endocrine gland in the human body that produces a hormone which increases the rate of heartbeat. Okay, what is that? What is that hormone? Is adrenal gland. That's number 3. That's option C, the adrenal glands. Okay, the adrenal glands are two small glands located at the top of the kidneys. They produce a number of hormones including adrenaline. Okay, and adrenaline is often called the fight or flight hormone because it helps the body to prepare for stressful situation as it increases the heartbeat, breathing rate and blood sugar levels. So the answer to question number 14 is C, the adrenal gland. And then we have question number 15. It produces oily secretion in the skin which keeps it supple. You have you have option A, option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer is a sebaceous. For those of you who are telling your friends about Classgate, Classgate has made special financial support available for you. And in order to get there, you have to register for the referral program. And in order to register for the referral program, just click your profile icon right here, this green icon. You click on it, tap on your username, click on your username so that you can edit your profile settings. This is how the profile dashboard will appear. It appears like this. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to edit profile right here. And when you edit profile, you see some of your user information is available here. But what I want you to notice is this referral code TAPE. What you do is you write something that is unique only to you. Okay, you write your referral code here, and this is what you'll be sharing to your friends so that Classgate know that you have shared and you have introduced people to the platform, and they'll give you a special commission based on what they buy or what they sell. Okay, so from here, after you have written your referral code, just update changes, save changes, and that is all you have to do. And when you share the link to Classgate, when you share classgate.com, this is what you'll be sharing. You'll be sharing this referral link. This is the link that you're supposed to be sharing to your friends. So I've already copied it. I've copied this link. Okay, copy this link and make sure you copy it. This is how the link looks like. You're seeing the link. Classgate.com referrals TAPE. Don't forget, because TAPE was a referral code. And when your friend comes to Classgate with this link, okay, and they buy something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have bought. If they sell something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have sold. And you know that those of us at Leonard Academy, all of our courses are 100 francs. So those of you who are sharing our courses to your friends, you're getting 25 francs for each new friend that you sign in. Okay, that's on the first purchase. When they buy a course for the first time, you get 25 francs. Okay, and even the teachers, when they sell a course for the first time, if you introduce a teacher with your referral code and they sell a course for the first time, you get 25% of what they have sold. Don't forget, only for the first purchase. Okay, and then those of us at Apelonad, it's good. You introduce 100 friends, you get 2,500 francs. Okay, it's that easy. Introduce your friends to Classgate, introduce your teachers to Classgate, and gain from it so that you can gain from it. It's not only learning, but let's help some students to at least buy some break food. Okay, that's what we want. Gland. Okay, that's option B. The sebaceous gland are microscopic glands found in most areas of the skin except for the palms of your hand and the soles of your feet. They are attached to hair follicles and produce sebum, an oily waxy substance that helps to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Okay, so the answer is sebaceous gland, and sebaceous gland is choice B. Question number 16. Number 16 is asking us that which part of the mammalian brain is responsible for voluntary, as conscious activities of the body. Voluntary conscious activities of the body is the cerebrum. Okay, the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for many high other functions, including consciousness, thought, memory, and voluntary movement. So the answer to question number 16 is C, the cerebrum. Question number 17. Which structure in the brain is responsible for balance and posture? Which structure in the brain is responsible for balance and posture? The structure in the brain that is responsible for balance and posture is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain and is involved in coordinating voluntary movements, maintaining posture and balance, as it receives signals from the inner ear, muscles and joints, and then sends signals to the muscles to help keep the body upright and balanced. So the answer is A, cerebellum. Number 18 has given us the diagram of the digestive system of a human being. Okay, and then we have three. This option 3. How is structure 3 important in homeostasis? Okay, when it comes to the digestive system, this structure 3 is the pancreas. And what does the pancreas do? The pancreas produces digestive enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in the small intestine. And these enzymes help to ensure that proper absorption of nutrients is happening in the bloodstreams. So the answer, the pancreas, what the pancreas helps to do is deamination. Okay, is the deamination of proteins. As deamination of proteins is a process where amino groups are moved from amino acids. Okay, so this option, the correct answer is deamination, because this is a pancreas. And then the answer to question number 18 is A, deamination. Question number 19. Question number 19. Which structure in the male reproductive system produces sperms? It is the testes. The testes is a structure that produces sperms in the male reproductive system. And then why does the left ventricle of the mammalian heart have thicker walls? The left ventricle of the mammalian has thicker walls because it pumps blood over a long distance. Okay, so that is B. As it pumps blood over a long distance, the left ventricle has thicker walls than the right ventricle. Because it has a much bigger job to do as it pumps oxygenated blood throughout the entire. Classgate.com is an online learning platform for both teachers and students. If you want to teach on Classgate. Okay, I'm encouraging all teachers, and please tell your teachers that you can support them. Okay, they should record a video of the solutions and you can support them on Classgate. Okay, so that the course is there anytime you want and it's available there for you anytime you want. You can always access the solutions and access the course. Even if you're forgotten something, you can always access the course that your teacher has uploaded online. Okay, and you can support them on Classgate. Good. So when you come to Classgate, the first thing you want to do is you log in. I've told you before, log in with your Google account. For those of you who have Google accounts, super for you. You log in with your Google account. Just log in with your Google account. It's very easy. Log in with your Google account so that you can start enjoying free courses or cheap courses on Classgate. It's very easy. A lot of people are doing this. So let's get started. After logging in, search for the course you want to study, and today we're studying mathematics. Okay, everybody's studying maths, so we're doing maths today. We're searching for maths. And now you have all the mathematics courses available. Okay, and it's just 100 francs. Look, we already have one student here, and this course was uploaded today. Okay, and this is paper 1 math statistics 2023 solutions, and this is paper 3 2023 advanced level solution, and this is 2022 paper 3 advanced level solutions. As 100 francs each. Another free courses, we have O level mathematics 2023 GCE solutions paper 1. Okay, so if you want to enjoy the free course, just enroll now. But I've told you, enroll now, okay, and you'll be taken to the classroom and you start enjoying your free course. But I've told you that if the course is paid, the button will be add to cart. You'll see the add to cart button, and let's buy pure maths with statistics paper 1 2023. So I've added this to cart. See, I'm add to cart button. And what you, after adding to cart, you want to click this, you can always click that blue icon that just popped out right there. You can click it to go and pay, or you can also click the card icon. This is the card icon. Click on it. We have clicked the card icon and we are waiting, and yes, see, this is what is in our cart. We have Cameroon GCE 2023 pure maths with statistics paper 1 advanced level solutions MCQs, and it's 100 francs. So the total we're paying is 100 francs, no charges. Just proceed to check out. Click the proceed to check out button like I have done. Proceed to check out. And on the checkout page, you just have to write your mobile money number. Okay, it takes Orange and MTN as for Cameroonians. So you write in your mobile money number. And complete payment. And if you have written the correct Cameroonian number, you see this button turns red. Okay, the gray button is now red, meaning you can pay now. So click on the complete payment button, and we're waiting. We've been given 2 minutes to pay for this course. So let's just wait for the prompt on our phone. So the prompt has already appeared on my phone, and I've dialed my mobile money pin. Okay, I've already approved transaction, so we're just waiting for me to have access to the course. It won't take much time. There, I already have access to the course. See, now payment successful, billing success. If you want the receipt, you can always click here to see the receipt of the course that we have just bought. Okay, and this is the receipt of the course that we have bought. Very good receipt. And let's go here. Successful transfer, payment was successful. And after payment is successful, you want to enter the course. Just see from your profile icon. Okay, from the profile icon, go to enroll courses. and it has appeared on our course list. Okay, enrolled courses. This is what we bought. We bought pure maths with statistics paper 1. We can start the course and start enjoying our MCQ solutions to maths GCE paper 1 2023. It will take a while for the course to load, but just click the play icon right here. Our course is loaded. Okay, if you want to use less megabytes, you can always select the quality you prefer, select it here. If you want to speed up the course, let's speed it up by 2 times. Okay, I speed the course up by 2 times, and this is how the course is. Okay, don't forget you can also ask questions. Very important, ask questions, and I want all of you to ask questions. The course instructor will be right there to respond to your queries. Okay, don't forget classgate.com, educating comfort.